Absolutely. All it takes is one tornado, one intruder, and your whole entire life is changed in a heartbeat. Everything that you have worked your entire life for, your blood, sweat, tears, can all be gone in a heartbeat. Your family, your loved ones, everything gone. Like I said, one intruder, one tornado, that's all it takes. So being safe inside one of our shelters is absolutely worth it. We had a customer came in, he was dead set against it. Didn't want anything to do with a tornado shelter. He came in for his wife and his wife only. Had it installed. 3 months later, came back in, said that he got in it, tornado destroyed his entire house. Him and his wife, perfectly safe inside. The only reason they were safe was because they got inside one of the shelters. So is it worth it? I think your peace of mind is worth it.